I'm hungry. You are always hungry after school. But I'm really hungry now.
David,
Shh, come here.
what is happening?
I think there is a thief in the house.
A thief? Really?
Oh no. He wants my robot.
I don't think so. He looks like he wants something valuable.
Maybe. What do we do?
I already have a plan.
A dangerous plan?
A smart plan.
Be careful.
Hey! Got you! You picked the wrong house!
Hold him tight. I'm calling 911.
Wait! Emma, don't call!
What?
It's Ethan!
Yes, me.
Uncle Ethan?
Why are you dressed like that?
Like what?
Like a traveling thief.
Ethan, what are you doing here?
I was looking for a book. So you entered the house like a criminal for a book?
I used the spare key.
You still should have called first.
My phone died.
Very convenient.
You made a big mess.
A very big mess.
Explain. Now.
I found this in Grandma's old box.
This handwriting?
Great-Grandpa Henry.
What does it say?
That he once found a little gold in California gold country.
Real gold?
Gold?
He who follows the creek may find bright dust in the water.
That sounds dramatic.
The real map is hidden in a book on Emma's shelf. On my shelf?
That is why I came. I remembered you took Grandma's old books.
So you came here, looked like a thief, and attacked the bookshelf?
I was searching fast.
You mean badly.
Oh, right.
Do you really think the map is here?
Yes, and I know which book.
Please search like a normal person.
Here.
That sounds like an adventure book.
Beautiful. Nothing.
Coloma.
California.
I told you!
Can we go there?
That was a very fast question.
We should go this weekend.
This weekend?
Yes. Actually, that could be a great trip.
You too?
Come on.
A road trip, a creek, camping, history, maybe a little gold.
There it is.
I want to go.
Me too. I want to find bright dust.
That is the spirit.
You are all impossible.
No, we are adventurous.
You are excited.
Also true.
Mom, please.
Please. We can sleep in a tent.
We are not going there to get rich. We are going for the trip. The gold is only a maybe.
If we do this, we do it safely. We stay together. We do not fight over gold. And no one enters my house like a thief again.
That feels personal.
It is.
So, are we going?
Yes. We're going.
Yeah! The family gold trip begins!
Please let this be a good idea.
Are we there yet?
No.
How about now?
Still no.
That is the true spirit of adventure.
A true adventurer also waits patiently.
I can do that. Now, are we there?
California is not 5 minutes away, Peter.
It already feels different.
Yes. The city feels far away.
Good. Gold likes quiet places.
You say that like you know Gold personally.
Gold and I have an understanding.
That sounds very false.
This place looks like a movie.
It looks older than a movie.
Now this feels right.
See? We are following history.
Can I get that hat?
Why?
Because I am going to look for gold.
That is strong logic.
You look like the smallest miner in California.
Good.
This should be the place.
I can see the creek.
There are other people here.
What if they find all the gold first?
Relax. Gold waited here for years. It can wait 1 more hour for us.
Are you sure?
No, but it sounds helpful.
This place is beautiful.
And maybe rich.
Let us start with beautiful.
I am helping a lot.
You are helping enough.
The letter says, follow the bend in the creek.
That looks like a bend. I did not drive all this way for a poetic mistake.
No gold tonight. We eat, rest, and try tomorrow.
Adventure is slow.
First, we scoop sand and small stones.
Then what?
Then we move the pan slowly in the water.
I know how to do that.
Please show us.
Very professional.
I was testing the pan.
Did it pass?
No, it has a bad attitude.
Like this?
Much better.
Remember, we are here to enjoy the trip too.
I can enjoy the trip and the gold.
That sounds honest. Morning.
Morning. I'm Ethan.
Ruby. Did you find anything yet?
Only wet shoes.
That is a shiny name.
Really?
You are holding it too flat. Tilt it a little more. That's better.
Charming strangers can be trouble.
Really? Is that what you thought when you met me?
I think I should focus on the river. Beautiful morning.
Yes, it is.
You are new here. Is it that obvious? A little.
Do you come here often?
Often enough.
Be careful where you leave your things. People get strange around gold.
I do not like that warning.
Neither do I.
Wait.
What?
I found some.
Gold?
Let me see.
Oh.
That is real.
We did it!
It is not much.
So gold is really this small? I thought it would be bigger.
Small gold is still gold.
Wait, I have some too.
Now we are getting rich in a very small way.
Huh? I found a bigger one. Is this gold?
Peter, if you found a big piece that fast, it is probably just a rock. Yes, gold does not usually say hello that quickly.
So it is nothing?
Probably not.
Wait!
Peter, stop.
No way.
Is that?
It might be.
Peter, I think that is the best thing we found.
Really?
You were about to throw away the biggest piece.
I almost threw away gold?
Yes, very expensive throwing.
Okay, I like gold again.
Now the family gold trip is truly a success.
A surprising success. What happened?
We found some.
And I found this.
Wow, good for you.
I still can't believe we found real gold.
And not just tiny gold.
Yes, big gold.
Great grandpa was right.
More than a little right. I heard the good news. Thought you might want to celebrate.
That's nice of you.
Thank you.
I still do not trust this place fully.
We leave tomorrow morning.
Agreed.
No, no, no. The gold is gone.
Gone?
What do you mean?
The vial was here last night. Now it's gone.
Did it fall? Gold does not walk away by itself.
Where is Ruby?
Her camp is empty.
Stay together. We're going now.
What if she really took it?
We do not know yet.
I should have put it in my bag.
Maybe. But we were all tired.
I still should have been more careful.
Maybe. But we'll get it back.
You?
Morning. You were watching us. Yes.
Hank Cole, County Sheriff's Department.
You're a police officer?
Deputy Sheriff.
Then what happened?
Small amounts of gold have been going missing around this creek. I followed her for days.
Last night.
Last night, I saw her leave your camp before sunrise.
That's ours!
That's it.
It was only one piece.
It was ours.
And that matters.
Here.
Thank you.
Gold panning is fine in the right places, but people get careless when they find gold. They talk too much. They trust too fast.
That is true.
Know the land. Know the rules. Protect your family first.
So the gold is not the most important thing?
No, it never was.
Why would she do that?
Because she only saw the gold.
I think I did that too. A little.
It's not very big.
No.
Was the trip still worth it?
Yes. But not because of the gold.
Then why?
Because trips like this can be beautiful, but they can also be risky. When people look for treasure, they do not always know who is kind and who is dangerous.
So the gold was never the best part?
No. Gold is small, and sometimes it brings trouble with it.
But this trip gave us something better.
What?
Being together, watching all of you laugh, seeing all of you safe, that is worth more than gold.
I think you're right.
So the real treasure was the trip?
The trip and the family beside us.
I like that treasure more.